Okay, stems on smaller, soft plants, or herbaceous plants. Like any part of the plant, they'll be covered with a layer of dermal tissue. So we have the epidermis and that cuticle. There are stomata allowing gas in and out in our soft plant parts. Often soft stems can have photosynthesis like leaves. Stems are often green. And there's also supporting tissue there. And then, of course, vascular tissue. We need to be getting that water and minerals up from the roots in the xylem and the food down with the phloem from the leaves. So here's an example. A standard dicot, happens to be sunflower. You characteristically have a ring of individual bundles with the phloem towards the outside, xylem towards the inside. So this general ring shape, you have in the middle pith, which is often dead cells, largely just storage and support, and this ring pattern. Monocots have a more irregular or varied pattern of where these vascular bundles of phloem and xylem are. And so each little bit forms a bundle here and there in the stem. No secondary growth, no lateral meristems. So our monocots cannot get bigger around. Once they have grown a stem, it's going to stay that way. So a palm tree that's this big around had to grow that big around up from the ground like that. It's not able to grow out as it gets older. This is taken advantage of by people who want to get something from a palm tree, say coconuts off a coconut palm. If you're not just waiting for them to fall, you can actually cut little notches in the trunk of your coconut palm tree, assuming you have one, and use those as footsteps to climb up your tree. And the tree will never grow and fill that in. If you made steps like this in the side, say, of an oak tree, after, say, another year or so, the tree's grown sideways and filled them in again, and you'll have to cut them again. But these notches are going to be permanent in a palm tree. Here's an example. This is corn, and you see those little bundles of xylem and phloem are kind of scattered all around, not forming a ring the way they did in the dicot. Again, our pattern, we have xylem shown in the blue, bringing water, minerals, things like that up from the roots through the rest of the plant, and then water evaporates out from the leaves, which pulls more behind it. Phloem coming from the leaves, carrying the sugars and other molecules made by photosynthesis, traveling through the rest of the plant.